To assemble the machine, clip the body into the base firmly, ensuring it sits upright securely in the lock position. To attach the hose, insert the flat end into the hose inlet and ensure the other end is fully inserted into the housing and secure the hose. Attach the clamp by unscrewing to loosen, place around the top section of the handle and carefully screw it back together to tighten. Then attach the crevice and upholstery on either side of the clamp. Check the machine reclines correctly using the orange foot pedal and it is then fully assembled.